Hi, I am back with some valuable stuff for you. We have launched our first product on Gumroad. Let's go through the highlights of our finance app UI and design system. Are you a designer or developer? Designing a finance app? Struggling with UI consistency and modern design? Save time and elevate your project with our premium finance app UI kit. A sleek, user-friendly, and professional design system, ready to use. This UI kit is a complete solution for fintech, banking, or e-wallet apps. It's designed for UI/UX designers, developers, startups, and agencies looking to build stunning, functional finance apps, without starting from scratch. Let's take a look at what's inside. Why spend hours designing from scratch when you can use a high-quality, pre-built UI kit? Here's why this kit is a game changer. It will save you time and effort. No need to build UI from zero. Designed for real-world fintech use cases, banking, fintech, e-wallet. Ensures UI/UX consistency, following best design practices. Perfect for freelancers, agencies, and startups, high quality and professional. Get it now at a special launch discount for a limited time. Click the link in the description and grab your copy now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informative content.